Hey there, pioneers! Here's how to get the improved fins in Subnautica 2. Starting from your life pod, head east until you reach the alien ruins, located about 1,040 meters away. From the front of the ruins, face a heading of 75 degrees and swim toward the abandoned research outpost. Once you arrive at the research outpost, face south and look down to spot a man-made platform below. You'll find the first improved fins fragment there. Pull out your scanner and scan it. From that platform, face a heading of 165 degrees to find another man-made platform attached to the side of a plateau. You'll find the second fragment there. Now, from the second platform, face 165 degrees once again and look over the edge. You'll spot a light and some equipment on the seafloor below. Swim down to the opened crate and you'll find the third and final improved fins fragment. Scan it to complete the blueprint. Once you've unlocked it, return to your base and craft the improved fins in the fabricator using basic fins, 1 fiber mesh and 2 conduit crystals. And that's all of it. If this video helped, please leave a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward guides. Thanks for stopping by and see you in the next side quest.